I upload Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Usually I upload every day. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. Today I'm doing a wig review, and I have a wig from Mayde Beauty, and I have reviewed a few of the Mayde Beauty wigs, so you want to check out the playlist. I'll include it in the description box below. I scooped up this wig from Wig Types for $24.94, and this is Miss Lumia. When I got her, I thought she was really like FFRusset equals Vivia. She's a newer one, but Vivia is a lace parting wig, and she's a center part. This one is a left-sided part, but the color is pretty much the same to the color that I have Vivia in. And I have her, yes, in the color FFRusset. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in a few colors, not a ton. I like this wig. It is a yaki textured wig, but it's a light yaki texture. Density's not too bad. This is all the hair to the front. I'm 5'6.5", so this is how long it is. I just feel like there is some fullness in here, and it does feel like there's some filler fiber, some bump going on. I don't like a bump, and I kind of don't like where the part is sitting. But the hair color and the texture is awesome. I want to see if I can, it's got bendable ear tabs. I want to see if I can shift it at all to make it feel a little bit, yeah. I don't know. There's a lot about this wig I like. If you like bumps, if you like this sort of like bump situation, you'll probably really love this wig. I'm just not a fan of the bump. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, the movement is beautiful. You know, she really is a deep part with a bump. That's not my style, but she is very beautiful. She is really a lot like FFRusset equals Vivia. So if you like that wig and you also like this sort of style in the front, you might really like this wig. If you don't like a center part, but you really like Vivia, you may, this may be an alternative wig for you. She's looking beautiful. Yeah, not a bad wig. I don't like what's going on here, and I hate bangs in my face, and that's just my personal preference. But other than that, if those aren't things that bother you, then it should be good to go for you. She looks really pretty. I love this color. I included the clips of how I got her together in right after this. So yeah, this is what I have for you in terms of Mayde LUMIA. If you have this wig, let me know down below, like what color do you have? What are your thoughts? If there's another Mayde Beauty wig that you would like me to review, put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.